Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice and mindful test prep, coming at you today with an ACT math question. This is question 59 in the math section of ACT 64E. Right there, pause it. No, seriously, why don't you pause the video and take a crack at it yourself, and then when you're done, you can unpause the video and watch the explanation. See how you did. You know, learning. Could be good, because we're getting in there. It reads, in the figure below, the vertices of triangle ABC have XY coordinates 4, 5, 5, 3, and 1, 3, respectively. What is the area of triangle ABC? Now we have a nice little figure of it. And the mistake a lot of students make on a question like this is they think, oh shoot, I have all these points and I need to get the area of this triangle, so I guess I got to do the distance formula 3 times and get all the sides of the triangle. But it's actually not so. How do we get the area of a triangle? It's 1/2 times base times height, right? Well, one of the sides of this triangle is already parallel to the x-axis, so that's kind of convenient. What if we thought of that as our base, this CB? How long would it be? Well, the x values go from 1 all the way up to 5. So that would be a base of 4, right? Now, what would the height of that triangle be? The height is the perpendicular distance from the highest point down to the base, or just this little line. Well, how far would that be? It's only traveling in the y direction, right? So it's only going from a y value of 3, which is what C and B have, up to a y value of 5, which is what A has. So it went up 2 in the y direction. Oh, nice. So we already have the base and the height. The base is 4, the height is 2. We multiply them, that equals 8, and then multiply it again by 1/2, because we're talking about a triangle. 8 times 1/2 is 4, and so the answer is 4. We didn't jump into solving for more numbers. We took a breath and said, okay, I know I need 1/2 times base times height. Is there a base here that would make the height pretty convenient? And it turned out there was, because there was a base that was already parallel to the x-axis. If you have any questions about this or any other problem, feel free to comment below, or email me at prepmindful@gmail.com. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? Could be tight. In any case, my name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.